Hey everybody, so in today's tutorial I will be showing you how to create a group chat on Snapchat. So make sure that you follow this video till the very end and follow our steps correctly so you can make sure that this method works for you too on your mobile phone. So yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do is go to the App Store and download the Snapchat application if you haven't already. After that, register an account or log into your existing account depending if you already have an account on the application. So after doing that, we want to enter the Snapchat application. As you can see here guys, now here is my Snapchat application. So to open the chat tab where all of our chats are, we want to swipe to the left, swiping the screen to the right. So we are swiping to the left, and now here we can see all of the chats that we have on our Snapchat application that we have in the last couple of years. So the next thing you want to do guys, to create a chat, there isn't a specific option for that. We have to do it manually. The next thing you want to do is look in the bottom right corner where you can see the blue button, which is like a paper and the pen writing on the paper. So you want to click on that button, as that will start a new chat, but don't worry, it will not immediately start. So go ahead and click on that button. Now guys, you can see you have opened up all the chats that you can chat, all the people that you have as friends on Snapchat. So the next thing you want to do to create a chat is the following. If you click on one person, as you can see, the blue button appears where you can chat with that person. But if you want to create a group chat, you have to do the following. You want to select one more, so you have to have selected 2 or plus more people. You can have up to 100 friends in the group chat. So let's go ahead and select someone. Here, as you can now see, I have 2 friends selected, and now we are able to click the blue button under the lower part of the screen, chat with the group, and we will create our group. So let's click on that. As you can see here guys, we have created a group. We can rename the group whatever we want, clicking on the name in the upper corner. So click on that and name it whatever we want. Let's say tutorials, and yeah guys, just confirm it, and that's it. You have now created a group chat, so where you can chat with your friends that you have added. So yeah guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, leave a subscribe and like on the video, and I'll see you in the next video. So take care guys, and bye.